Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I thought we would do a clean with me, organize with me style video. Normally what I do with these is I wait till my room is an absolute disaster, which low-key, it's kind of messy right now. But normally I wait till it's so bad I can't walk, and I just do a deep clean. I do all my laundry, I reorganize everything. But I thought this video would be fun to show you guys me cleaning my room throughout the week. Little pickups, stuff like that, and just kind of see how it all gets there. I also decorated. I did a time lapse of that, so I thought I'd just put that in this video as well. So I decorated my room. If you guys remember, if you've been following me for a while, this right there looks a lot like my freshman year dorm. I'm back home at my parents' house for quarantine. I'm back here. Thought we would just do a little time lapse of my room getting clean. I'll show you guys before. It is pretty bad right now. So a while ago I moved my room around, so my bed was in the middle of my room. I didn't have this dresser in here, and that was against the window, and it was very cramped. When I came back here, and I still have to do school obviously because Zoom University, I was okay, I need to have my room be more put together so I can focus. And before, all I did was just sleep and watch Netflix in here, but I was I need desk space, I need room to be able to breathe. So yeah, I moved my bed, quite a bunch of stuff on it. That's what I did there. So yeah, some stuff on the floor. And then I ordered a ton of stuff, and I want to do a haul, but I just haven't gotten to it yet. Kind of all there. And then this is just a mess. It's just not good. We have this, and my room's pretty small, so that's all it is. My camera battery died, but that's okay because all I had left was just bringing stuff to other rooms or throwing it away. I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. The bed is all nice and made. The desk is decluttered. I still have my water and glasses, but I drink my water and there's still water in it. So yeah, all cleared off. I lit a candle, so all good. Floor nice and clean. Clean my room today. I'll see you guys the next time I need to clean it. Hey, time to do some more cleaning up. My room is not messy really, it's just kind of cluttered. I have some stuff on my bed, I have all of this, I have that, and that's about it. I did move out of college yesterday or the day before that, so I need to unpack all that stuff. Some unpacking might be in this video. This, who knows. Rewatching Grey's Anatomy for the 20th time because I can't find any good Netflix shows that I like. Play it while I clean. It is a new day. Let's assess the damage. Oh, let's just start by closing that. Okay, here's the thing. I have not filmed me cleaning in a really long time. It's actually been a good amount of time since I've done it because I haven't gotten that messy, but as you see, we are. Ta-da. Like, you know, I feel like I just in 3 days I was like, screw it, and then I just kind of threw everything on the floor. We're gonna clean it up. Okay, here's the room. I left my hoodie here just because I feel like I always wear it. And then I need to bring this into my living room to get to my mom. Throw that away. And then we're all clean. What is my hair? I look like George Washington. It's very George Washington-y. I'm convinced that you guys probably think that I am just the grossest person in the world. I just kind of let clutter collect and then I'm like, okay, let's clean it. For the future, let me know if you guys want me to do big cleaning videos or just like small ones like this. But here's the damage. I thought I would clean while I watch like my Zoom lecture. I'm just waiting for it to start. Here is the room. I just ate lunch, so that's what that's from. This needs to be cleaned and picked up. So you look around the room and you're like, oh, bed's not made. But other than that, pretty clean, right? Wrong. Look at this. What have I done? Okay. Let's just, yeah. I've really been putting this off for as long as I possibly can, and I don't think I can put it off any longer because I'm running out of clothes. Enjoy this time lapse. I have these hoodies that really don't need to be washed because I wore them like one single time and they weren't really with the dirty clothes that much, so I'm just gonna hang them up again. That might be gross, but whatever. And then the next thing that I want to do is just clean everything off with some Clorox wipes. Every time I light one of these candles, the little like black wick part, whatever, explodes on here. I just want to clean everything off, disinfect it. I still have my load of lights that I have to do. Let's disinfect everything. I'm watching Grey's Anatomy. It's a good time. There's a bug in here. It's like one of those really big bugs that you're like, oh, it can't fly, and then all of a sudden it flies and you're like, what? Hi. Hello. How are you? I'll meet you halfway. My lights are drying right now, so I just have my colored and dark clothes here. We're gonna put them away and hopefully not have a bug scare me. Little update on what I've done so far. I put away all my colors. This is something that I recently did and I really like it. So on this side of my closet, I have more casual clothes. Like this is stuff that I literally wear every day. Like I own the same tank top in multiple different colors and just like simple things that I could just easily throw on with like some shorts. And then this side, east side, west side, no side, no, sorry, is a little bit nicer of stuff. I have dresses back here. I have my bodysuit, off the shoulder tops, crop tops, tank tops, and I color code everything in like its sections, like crop tank tops, regular tank top, crop shirts, regular shirts, you know, all that. So that is what I've been doing, and I every single day go to this side, but that's okay. One thing that I do is whenever I wash my clothes, if I still have a stain on something, I will leave it out to the end. So I still need to go through all my light. So once I go through all those, if anything has stains on them, then I'll put stain remover on it and then wash them with my towels. I always save my towels for the end. Sometimes I don't even wash them if I don't have anything that stains, but when I was going through this stuff, I missed this, so I didn't see the stain on it, and it didn't come out on itself. I hope it does come out. I'm afraid it won't come out. Just waiting for my whites to be out of the dryer, and then yeah. My lights and whites are dried. Now I just need to put them away, and then we're almost done. I also really don't want to make my bed, but I feel like this video would not be complete if the whole room was clean at the end and then my bed still looks like this. So I'll make it just for you guys. Don't say I didn't do anything for you. No, I'm totally kidding. I also don't feel like showing cleaning my towels because that's like boring. We're almost done. Thank God. I've been filming this video for like a month. Yikes. My room is officially clean. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Bed made, floor clean, that kind of, yeah. I put on my pile of electronics and my, okay. Well, it's not as clean as I thought it was. Anyways, laundry is all done. I have my towels going right now, but like, again, that's not interesting to show. Finally, after a month, the room, she good. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want me to do more videos like this where I do like small batches of cleaning, or if you guys like what I normally do when I have like just a huge mess and clean it all at once. Let me know what you guys like. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me. Tell me that you came from this video. I'll say hi. You'll say hi. It'll be a great time. We'll both say hi. Right now I'm gonna go make Disneyland's recipe for beignets. I'm really excited. I'll probably share it on my Instagram. So again, go follow me, subscribe if you're not already. I love you so much. Okay, bye.